In Japan, you don't pay the bill at the table at a restaurant. You'll see a real situation video today. Hi, welcome to Speak Japanese Naturally. I'm Fumi. Today we're gonna learn how to pay the bill at a restaurant. We don't pay at the table, but we go to the cashier instead. Now let's watch the short video, but without subtitles first. ごちそうさまです。
ありがとうございます。
失
礼いたします。ホトを一つ以上でよろしいでしょうか。
はい。
1320円です。
はい。じゃあこれで。これでお願いします。
はい。10500円からお預かりいたします。はい。お返し9180円です。
はい。
最初の奥のお金9000円ですね。
はい。
あとこちら180円です。
はい。
ありがとうございます。
ごちそうさまです。ごちそうさまです。In most restaurants in Japan, you pay at the cashier. The waiter or waitress bring your bill right after they bring your meal. So you take the bill to the cashier to pay before leaving the restaurant. In this place, you see the word お会計 here. お会計 means bill or check. So in the video, I went there to pay. The first thing I said was ごちそうさまです。ごちそうさまです。ごちそうさまです is a set phrase to say thank you for the meal. ごちそう means feast. Sama is an honorific title. This is the present tense to be. I used this ごちそうさまです here, but what I actually meant was I'd like to make a payment now. You can say お会計お願いします instead. お会計 is the bill or check. お願いします is please. So お会計お願いします is a polite way to say check please. You can just say お願いします。お願いします。That's fine too. And the cashier said ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます is a polite way to say thank you. はい。はい。is a very handy word. You can use it to fill the air. So you are doing something, you can say Both men and women can use it. When you hand something to someone, you use はい。はい。Yes is はい。When you hand something, はい。はい。A little bit different. Can you hear the difference? はい。Yes. はい。はい。はい。はい。はい。So when you hand something, you can say はい。はい。And the cashier said 失礼いたします。This part was really hard to pick up words for me. I couldn't get it clearly, but I guessed he said 失礼いたします。失礼いたします is a humble way to say excuse me. And then he said ほうとうお一つ以上でよろしいでしょうか。ほうとうお一つ以上でよろしいでしょうか。Hoto is the name of the dish I ate. It's local food in Yamanashi. You can say it at the end of this video. お一つ means one. お is an honorific. 一つ is used to count one thing. 以上でよろしいでしょうか is that's all, right? They say 以上でよろしいでしょうか after they take your orders too. In that case, it's translated as would that be all or may I get anything else? よろしいでしょうか is a humble way to ask is it okay? I said はい yes. And he said 1320円です。1320円です。And then I said じゃあこれでお願いします。I use it a lot. It's very handy. I recommend you to use it when you do something. When you're making someone wait, you can say you don't have to say anything. I feel like I need to fill the air. So I say or something. じゃあ is casual way to say then. これで with this. これでお願いします means with this please. I used これ meaning the bill and the coin I used to pay. And then he said はい、1500円からお預かりします。はい、1500円からお預かりします。何々円からお預かりします or 何々円お預かりします。It's a set phrase. Cashiers always say it to confirm how much money you handed to them. In Japan, people tend to use coins to get fewer coins in change. when people pay the bills with bills. In this case, I would have handed 10,320 yen if I had 300 yen coins and 2 10 yen coins in order not to get any coins for change. But I didn't have those coins, so I added a 500 yen coin to a 10,000 yen bill. I wanted to add 2 10 yen coins if I had ones. And the cashier said, お返し9180円です。お返し9180円です。お返し is another way to say お釣り change. And then he said, 最初に大きなお金9000円ですね。最初に大きなお金9000円ですね。最初に means first. 大きなお金 literally means big money. But what he meant here is bills, not coins. Cashiers gives you the bills first, saying this phrase. They may say, お先に9000円のお返しです。お先に9000円のお返しです。お先に means first. So it means the same thing. And then he said, お後こちら180円です。お後こちら180円です。お is an honorific. あと means the rest here. こちら何々です means this is 何々. Then he said, ありがとうございます。Thank you. So I said, ごちそうさまです。Again here. You can say ごちそうさまでした. It's the past tense of ごちそうさまです。Either this or でした is fine here. So, of course you can say ごちそうさまでした. Another waitress said ありがとうございました. So I said ごちそうさまです again. It's a polite way to leave a restaurant. Now let's watch the video again, this time with Japanese subtitles. Please imagine that you are the one paying and listen to the cashier carefully. ごちそうさまです。
ありがとうございます。
失礼い
たします。ホトを一つ以上でよろしいでしょうか。
はい。
1320円です。
はい。じゃあこれで。これでお願いします。
はい。1500円からお預かりいたします。はい。お返し9180円です。
はい。
最初の奥のお金9000円ですね。
はい。
あとこちら180円です。
はい。
ありがとうございます。
ごちそうさまです。ごちそうさまです。You'll have a similar conversation whenever you pay at a convenience store, at a supermarket, etc. That's about it today. Thank you, Janet, for taking this script, and thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Bye! またね。
ちょっとお鍋非常に熱くなっております。素手で触らないでくださいね。